Hey guys, hope you're doing well. This is Jason from Dream Canada. A lot of you might be wondering about Draw 166 that was supposed to happen yesterday, right? Now this draw has been postponed to at least a week to even 2 weeks because of a few changes that IRCC made to the Express Entry system. I'll tell you the reasons why this draw wasn't conducted yesterday and the exact reasons for the changes in the Express Entry system and what they exactly are. For those of you who are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to stay updated with Canadian immigration processes and to know how you can get your PR or citizenship through this channel without the help of any agent or PR consultant or any immigration lawyer. So let me just start by saying you don't need to worry at all. These changes are good for you and I'll tell you exactly what these changes are. Now the main reason for the delay in Draw 166 is that IRCC has announced that you can earn up to 50 additional CRS points for your French language test even if French is your secondary language. So what usually happens is that you get majority of your language test points from your primary language and just a negligible amount of points for your secondary language test. So with this update, you can score 50 additional CRS points for your overall language test score, which will make a huge difference to your overall CRS score. Now you can see this section under the additional points section, which is the last section on the Express Entry CRS points page on the IRCC website. I'll add a link to this page in the description box. So as you can see, if you score NCLC 7 or higher in your French language test and even CLB 4 or lower in your English modules, then you'll get 25 additional points for your language test criteria. Now these points are extra points over and above the language test points that you were anyway going to get. And if you score NCLC 7 or higher in your French modules and even CLB 5 or higher in English modules, then you'll get a huge 50-point increase and 50 points additional to your normal language test points that you would normally be getting. Now don't get confused with NCLC. NCLC is just a term used for French test modules, just how we use CLB as a term for our English modules. So this is great news for French speaking candidates or basically those candidates who know how to speak both English and French languages, because this will be a huge boost to your overall CRS scores. Now you must be wondering, what if I've already created an Express Entry profile and what if my profile is already in the Express Entry pool, right? So what IRCC has to say is that the CRS score of all the candidates that are already in the pool will be updated automatically before the next invitation round, that is 166, and this could take about 2 weeks. So this is a clear indication that this is a major change, and it is because of this change that there's a delay in draw number 166, which was supposed to be conducted yesterday. So yes, nothing to worry about if you don't know French and if you've not given your French tests and if you've just given your IELTS test or your English test scores for your profile, then your profile will be assessed normally. There are no changes to that. This change was basically just an additional benefit for those candidates who also spoke French as a secondary language. Now if you want to know the exact process how you can apply for your Canada PR, including details like how to calculate your CRS score and how to find your NOC, I made a detailed video on all the steps, the fees and all the requirements that are necessary for your Canada PR process. I'll add a link to that video in the description. As always, if you have any doubts, do remember to comment below. I answer all immigration queries. You can even connect with me on Instagram and Twitter for any doubts that you have. I've added my profile links in the description as well. So that was all the info on why draw number 166 didn't happen. Do like this video if you like the content and if you like such updates, and remember to subscribe to stay tuned with Canadian immigration processes. I wish the best of luck for your application and hope you guys have a great day.